The Parrot Swing Mini Camera Drone is a small, lightweight drone that is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It features a vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) system, which allows it to take off and land like a helicopter and then fly like an airplane. One of the standout features of the Parrot Swing Mini Camera Drone is its built-in camera, which allows you to capture high-quality aerial photos and videos. The camera can be controlled using a remote control or a smartphone app, and it can be adjusted to different angles for different types of shots. To buy this product, click the link in description.